Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook orecchiette pasta. First, let's get our water ready. You'll want to use a large pot, ensuring there's plenty of room for the pasta to move freely. For every pound of orecchiette, aim for at least 4 quarts of water. Don't forget to add about 1 tablespoon of salt per gallon of water. This really helps season the pasta from the inside out. Bring that water to a vigorous, rolling boil. Once your water is boiling, carefully add the orecchiette. Give it a good stir right away to prevent the pieces from sticking together. Orecchiette typically cooks in about 11 to 13 minutes, but always check for that perfect al dente bite. This means it should be firm to the tooth, not mushy. Before draining, remember to scoop out about 1 cup of that starchy pasta water. It's liquid gold for your sauce. Now it's time to drain your beautifully cooked orecchiette. Use a colander, but resist the urge to rinse it under cold water. That washes away the starch needed for your sauce to cling. Immediately transfer the hot pasta into your warm sauce. Toss everything together for about 1 to 2 minutes, allowing the pasta to absorb those delicious flavors. This step is crucial for a cohesive dish. To finish, if your sauce seems a little thick, gradually add some of that reserved pasta water until it reaches your desired consistency. This helps create a silky, emulsified sauce. For an extra touch, garnish your dish with some fresh herbs like parsley or a sprinkle of grated Parmesan cheese. Serve your orecchiette immediately while it's still wonderfully warm and enjoy your perfectly cooked meal.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.